everybody. Matt from Sinister Scat Pack 392, and I'm going to do a special dedication to Mr. Keith and his family from 392 Life. And as you can tell, I haven't cleaned or washed or anything on my car. All this pollen. Thing looks horrible. Look at all that pollen. Just horrible. Talking about bad allergies and sinus infections and getting sick. But here's what everybody likes to hear. I'm going to throw a little something different in there for Mr. Keith and 392 Life of a 8,000 RPM rev from the Polaris 1000. So here we go, cold start and rev. Revving up portion of it. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to I guess I'm going to hold it in the car and do a burnout. Especially for Mr. Keith and his family of 392 Life. And here we go, everybody. And there's my dedication from my family to 392 Life's family, and from my family to his, like I say. And we're going to take a quick look at the burnout marks. That way everybody can see. And I hope the Mopar community approves of this one, because I'm sending it off with a bang on that one. And there are those beauties right there. All from this really dirty beauty. So from my family to his, from my Mopar to everybody else, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.